Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying a few essentials. Make sure you can access the recovery email or phone tied to the account, and use a device you've signed in from before. Once done, connect from a trusted home network. Do not use a VPN or public Wi-Fi because Microsoft flags unfamiliar locations. Next, go straight to Account. Microsoft. COM and attempt sign-in. This will surface the exact block reason and present recovery or verification prompts, so you know which path to follow. If sign-in shows blocked, choose the recovery option and complete the form precisely. Include recent passwords, expected sign-in dates, and device info to boost success. Once you submit, use two-step verification prompts or approve the sign-in on a trusted device when asked. This is often the fastest unblock path. Meanwhile, open Security Recent Activity to identify flagged attempts and remove any unknown devices or sessions. Make sure to update recovery email and phone to prevent repeats. You'll finish by resetting your password to a unique, strong passphrase and immediately enabling multi-factor authentication. This closes the door on future blocks. After changing settings, watch for Microsoft's confirmation email. Automated restores are quick, but manual reviews can take up to 24 hours. If the account remains blocked, escalate. Contact Microsoft support, provide the recovery submission ID and any recent activity logs. One key troubleshooting tip: try from a previously used device and the same.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.